Riendekithia ria kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC ria kwenda arutani othe gukorwo makiongerera mathomo mao o thutha wa miaka 5 rionekete kuhurwo jeki thutha wa kiama kia arutani KNUT kuhitukira mwandiki munene wakio Collins Oyuu kunyita mbaru mubango uyu. Murugamo wa KNUT ukite thiku imwe tu thutha wa gikundi kia arutani kiria kirauga gukorwo kirugamiririra arutani othe kaunti-ini ciothe 47 kuga riri ti ihinda riagiriru ria arutani kwirwo macoke kirathi kuona rungu rwa mubango uyu o murutani abati kwirihira ciringi 6,000 o mwaka, no makauga TSC niyo abati kurugamirira garama ya mathomo maya.
No refresher course mabururi mothe urugamirirwa cost ni employer ke mwene aune twisi ubune tukwenda tutuke akwaranira na TSC bururi ucio
hari ngirishi ithathatũ turerwo ari mumarehe mwaka niturona kure kaundu bekeirwo handu utondu thiini wa payslip ya mwarimu kuri 6,000 tukiheo cia annual leave na tukoneka mbeca itaci ikinyiritwo.
Agitetera murugamo wake Oyuu ugite maundu maingi ma maheni makoni mubango uyu ni makoretwo makiheano na uguo akoria TSC therie wega uria mubango uyu ugutwarithio na mbere.
Teachers will be made to understand what they are getting into well in very good time. And I think this shall save us as a profession. I want to concur with the Kesha chairman that we need a lot of peace in this sector. We need a lot of calmness to allow us to work.
Mathomo maya matanyitwo kuoya ihinda ria miaka 30 kuria no Kenyatta University, Mount Kenya University, Riara University na Kenya Education Management Institute iria ihetukitio kuneana mathomo maya na kuria thutha wa mathomo maya arutani mariheagwo points.
We are complaining not too well that this thing is there. We must actually move towards the global trend and equate ourselves with what is happening in the 21st century.
Maya magithiaga na mbere bururi wa Kenya ni unyitaniire na mabururi mangi thi yothe hari gukungwira muthi wa arutani kuri arutani 31 matugirwo kumana na wirutiri wao wira-ini.
We are not in any way suggesting that the 31 teachers are the only remarkable teachers we have in the practice. In fact, this number is just the tip of the iceberg. And we at TSC will keep finding more ways to ensure all our teachers feel recognized.
Hindi ya igongona riri riria rigwikinyitio ni anyiti itemi matiganite rungu rwa ministry ya githomo ni kugiire na ihinda ria kuririkana arutani 90 aria makuite kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 kuria macharia ugite gukinyeria riu namba nene ya arutani ni thecetwo njanjo ya mbere ya COVID, no hari na bata o murutani atigirire ni amukira njanjo cieri ihinda-ini riri mari micii.
Some of them in the middle of their tireless efforts as schools opened, and some of them as they were ensuring that learning in our schools was back on track.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.